Cameraman here, folks. We got today what we're gonna call Top Gear. If you guys remember, we did the Civic and ran it through the gears. But first, we got Blunt Man over here, Stunt Man over here, and Junk Man over here. Now,
Mess again.
a little bit of a mess. What do you think?
A mess again. Really, guys? It's
Let
been
me-
nice, been no mess lately, now this shit.
Look at what a sweetheart Junkman is. Thank you, Junkman. Let me tell you what's going on. Top Gear is where we chain a car up. We got it chained up right there behind Junkman's ass. Okay, we got the car chained up. And we always use a stick shift car. And I am going to try and keep the tires spinning right up to top gear.
All right, now, we had a few suggestions from some of the Neutral Drop family. They said, don't heat up the tires. You got to do it right away. So that's what we're going to try and do.
Yeah.
Immediately try to get this thing to fifth gear.
What happened before was I was slow about it. I'm figuring,
Let me see that on. What were you doing?
I was very slow about it. I was taking my own ginger time. I'm hitting the clutch, and I'm slow about it, right?
Yeah.
And what happened was I got the tires hot. Someone else said that Clorox will make the tires more sticky. Now, I know from street racing years ago, we would lay out some, Clorox to get the car to do a sick burnout. But some people said there's a possibility that is going to
Hold on, the trademark phone ringing.
Shut the goddamn...
Hold on.
Shut the phone.
All right, everyone, back in action.
Okay, so what we did was we put the all-ever useful... Get over here! Get over here!
He's bossing me around, folks.
Fabuloso's on the tires, along with a little bit of oil. Okay? Now...
I get in there, do the burnout. Last car we did was a Honda Civic stick shift, a little coupe. This one we got the Saturn coupe, so we got American, I'm not gonna say muscle, we got an American car against a Japanese car. We're gonna see what happens, folks.
I'm gonna get this thing up to fifth gear, believe me. And I don't want doubts from this guy again.
What
Don't
do
worry, don't worry, folks.
If he...
If he can't hit fifth gear, I'll help him along just to make him feel good, because he's been having a couple of losses lately. Been taking some L's. We're gonna help
All right, Blunt Man, what do you think? The air smells a little different around here today, I don't know.
He's calling third! Fifth gear today!
Roll that window down!
You guys ready?
What's it got, Stuntman? Oh, man. Traction control.
Traction control.
Who would have thought?
Give me another what's it got stuff, man. I need it.
What's it got, Stuntman? Oh. You better start again. Wait a minute. Give it another shot, Stuntman! Third? I think he's got third gear, folks. Oh, is that fourth? That's fourth gear. He's got to do it again, folks.
That was fourth gear.
All right, he's excited. He wants it to happen. Oh! Second gear! Third gear! Oh, he's heating it up, man. It's getting too hot. Yeah! Third! Third gear, baby! Yeah! Fourth gear! Oh! He almost had fifth.
That was fourth gear.
Let me tell you something.
That was fourth gear.
That was a lot better.
Bullshit. I'm putting down some more Fabuloso.
He wants fifth.
I'm putting down more Fabuloso.
Hold on, wait.
The fuck out.
Well, what is it? What is it?
Third! Fourth! Wow, I'm going into the porta potty.
God! Fifth gear! 110 miles an hour! Get
Wow.
out of here!
He got
Got
fifth gear.
gear on that one! Little bit of help from my boy!
Jesus. All right, listen to me.
I told you we'd help him.
He helped out.
A little bit cheap, but he's been taking a lot of losses lately, so I figured we'd give him a New Year's gift.
Wow. Blunt man. That was unbelievable. A lot of smoke. A lot of smoke. We're going to do the tires. Blunt wants pop tires. Wow.
But now, who's going to clean the mess again?
We got a little mess going on here. All right, folks, I'm just trying to catch my breath. Hold on. I want to do something. I want you to go.
Surprise! One man wants a little more smoke.
All right, listen to me. I want to see what kind of mile per hour you get out of this.
All right. Ready? Move the traction control. There it goes! Fourth gear! Fourth gear! 90! 90! I'm going for fifth!
He got fifth gear, folks!
No!
What the fuck?
I can't fucking breathe.
He's blunt, man. What the hell? He's trying to air out the yard.
Oh,
This is insane.
where's my mask?
The two of us are just getting over bronchial infections. Oh my God. Doc, you don't understand, Doc. You gotta watch Neutral Drop and you'll understand why I can't kick this bronchial infection. Oh my God, there's smoke. Any fire?
No, not today.
No. Look at the rubber sizzling on there. Wow, chunks. Wow, folks. Wow! Oh my God.
What was the top speed on that?
I don't know. We're gonna have to rewind the
guys,
tape.
listen to me. I think it was 110. 110 in place.
Wow.
Well, that was with tires on the ground.
That was with
Look at
tires
this.
on
Is
the
this
ground.
gonna ignite like
Tires
last
on
time?
the... Yeah.
Forget it. This is before I go to the first. It's got bad.
Wow.
I want to lift up? Okay. We're going to do a lift up and see how fast I can get it going.
Let's do it.
Hold on. Stay tuned, everybody!
You gotta go in the passenger door. Look at this. Look at this. The fork is smoking. Oh my God. All right, we're gonna get in there with them, folks.
Fucking
Traction control.
90. Ready? Hold on. I'm getting some kind of rev limiter problem. That's fifth gear.
That's fifth gear, folks. Floored out.
Hold on, fourth.
Fourth. Wow.
Let's see if I can get it into reverse.
He's going for reverse, folks. Back through the gears. Yeah, folks. He got 90 miles an hour.
110.
90.
110.
110.
110.
110 miles an hour, folks. Going nowhere.
All right, guys. I don't want to die. Shut it down.
That was impressive. He hit 110 miles an hour.
110.
Wow.
Neat.
Folks, I gotta get me a Saturn coupe stick shift, man. And I'm gonna run that sucker around the city. Woo! Right now, I need to go to the pharmacy to get myself a pump for my lungs. It's still smoking. This thing is still...
Hey, Shrek in Utah, I hope you like that.
This was, listen, nothing like a Saturn coupe. This thing killed it. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you want us to do down in the comments, because 2020 is going to be out.
We're going all the way.
control.
American muscle right there. You witnessed it. I want everybody, we got new shirts coming up. We're going to have some very cool shirts on the website, neutraldroptv.com. Check it out. Like, comment, subscribe. Junkman is my man. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Hey.
Oh!
What gear was that?
That was fifth gear.
That was fifth gear?
Yeah.
You got fifth gear?
Yeah.
Good.
Tire man!
Very proud of me, Junkman.
Folks, we're going all the way. Like, comment, subscribe. This is what's up over here on Neutral Drop, folks.
Smoking this way, by the way, not that way.
Still
Because see
smoking.
the noise.
Still smoking.
Actually, I'm moving him into that corner this week.
Wow.